I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start with prerequisites. Confirm your DLink supports mobile tethering or USB modem. This matters because firmware limits options. Next, insert the active SIM in your modem or ready your smartphone hotspot and connect the USB modem to the router or enable phone USB tethering. Log into the router web interface using the admin IP and credentials. Make a quick backup of settings so you can revert if needed. Once done, move to Interface Settings to select the mobile connection type and APN. You now configure the router. Go to Internet or WAN 3G/4G settings because this is where the router swaps to mobile data. Choose USB modem or smartphone tethering as the interface, then enter the APN exactly as your carrier specifies. Include username and password only if required. Set authentication to the correct type. Make sure you set connection priority or enable WAN failover so the router uses mobile only when needed. This prevents unexpected data use. Save and apply the changes, then you finish by verifying the connection status. Check the router dashboard for connected, the assigned IP, and signal bars to confirm link quality. Test browsing from 2 devices to confirm DNS and routing. Make sure DHCP is enabled on the router so devices get IPs. If it fails, first reboot the USB modem or phone, then the router. Next, confirm APN and USB compatibility, and check for router firmware updates or carrier tethering restrictions. If problems persist, switch cables or try another phone to isolate the fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.